today the plan is, well, this weekend the plan is to scrape the rest of the insulation off of the roof, and we're gonna take care of some of this rust, get it off and coat it with a rust inhibitor and, you know, prime it for finishing the top. And Archie is outside at the moment. We can't keep videos in both places, so he's out here removing all of these rub rails and getting all the dirt out from underneath it, and then we'll get them cleaned up.
What's up? Okay. Anything else you gotta say right now? Other than you need a cup of coffee or an energy drink? Good thing is it's freezing outside and it's a nice day though. Alright, well I'll follow you. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Getting old. Welcome to the Shag Pad. So in the last time lapse, I don't think we explained why and what we were doing, but we found that a broom really gets this stuff off pretty quickly without a whole lot of effort. We were scraping it, but we were doing our cleanup and trying to get the rest of it off and found out that it really takes off everything. So we've pretty much done this whole back section here. We've done there, here. Maybe a little bit more there to do. All this stuff here is gonna come off. Here's the little rust. It's all surface rust. It's gonna come off with like a wire brush. So we'll hit this today. Probably get this whole side done today and painted. Work on some of the roof.
You know what the best part of building a bus during a pandemic? You don't have to search for masks.
They're all over the place.
Right.
Heck yeah. Got some bad rust spots up here, but when I say bad, it's just surface rust still. Nothing structural. So we'll just treat this. So that way when we spray foam, we don't have to worry about anything. And then our plan is to put a coating on top of the bus to kind of seal all the water leaks. But a lot of the water came in where these screw holes are. The rain rail on the outside is attached. So got a bunch of holes to fill, like in the antenna. The antennas for the old Metro, I guess, city communications or whatever. Got one there. Let me back up. One there. One there. 4 here. One there. Where's the one that just goes right through? Maybe that was it. There's one. Yeah, that one. Got those two, if you can see them. It's pretty tough. In there. I think that's it, nothing else. A couple of holes. There's 2 cracks up here where the marker lights are. And we have to do some fiberglass work on. But shouldn't be too difficult. I'm no expert in fiberglass, but I'm gonna become one. There and there. Couple cracks. And then the main water leak is back here on the rear signboard. We'll take this out, probably fill it. I don't know what we're gonna put, but it's kind of hard to see. But if you look really close, you can see daylight right there. Comes right through. So bunch of water was able to get in here. This is all spray foam that's from the factory, but see all that black stuff? Just nasty. I don't think it's mold, so that's good, but just all nasty black goo. So, anything else before I shut this video down?
No.
That's pretty much the update, what we got going on today. We'll take a finish up video after we get it done. What'd you break?
You broke the shop vac. I'm just trying to fix it.
Did it work?
No.
Probably burned up the motor.
Probably.
That sucks. There's no power to that plug, or is there?
Yeah, there's.
Awesome. All right. Our recap for the day. Got all the rust, wire brushed off, both sides. All this stuff here is just the excess glue that they use from the factory that could just stay because we're gonna spray foam. Wire brushed everything. Everywhere we saw rust. Right here, all this black. Oh, that's fresh paint. Got all that done up in here. All back there. Looking good. Back here. All this. Tried to hit everywhere we saw any kind of rust just so it stopped. Wire brushed it pretty good. Our next step up here is to spray foam as far as the roof and insulation goes. Got a couple things left to do, like run some more marker lights from the inside, run the wiring up in the roof for all the overhead lighting when we're going down the road. I'm gonna use all the stock harness for that. Run 24-volt lights to make it easy. What else did we do? Oh yeah, we tore up this floor right here where the wheelchair door is. Had a little water leak. Found out that the rot went about to right here, probably about where that drill is. This is all good here. Got a little rust on the frame. It's all pretty much surface rust, nothing too major. So we'll take the skill saw to the lines and get out the rest of the good wood, or old bad wood, lay in some new stuff, put the door track back in, and continue. Not too bad though. We thought it was going to be a lot worse, but really just goes to about right here. So we'll cut right here, over here, back over there, like that. So don't mind the Crocs. It's usually what I wear. Probably not the best thing for my feet. That's kind of Katie's project right here. That thing. I kind of helped her a little bit, but my next big project is to fill these cracks. This is a piece of plexiglass. I thought it was actual glass. So I will probably pop that out, reinforce all this with some fiberglass myself. So we'll see how that turns out. Since this is a budget build, we want to try to do as much as we can. That's about it. Can't think of anything else to say other than we're done. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.